This sleek beast is the MiG-35, Russia's advanced multi-role fighter designed to dominate in air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. It's powered by two Klimov RD-33MK afterburning turbofan engines, allowing it to reach a top speed of 2,400 km/h, with thrust vectoring tech making it incredibly maneuverable. But speed and agility are just the start. This jet is loaded with cutting-edge tech, including an ASA radar, IRST systems, and advanced avionics, giving it an edge in any fight. As for firepower, it's equipped with a 30mm autocannon and 9 hardpoints for missiles, bombs, and drop tanks, making it versatile for any mission. So yeah, the MiG-35 is amazing. And if you want to be amazing too, give me that sub. Thank you and peace out.